What's the baby's name? Gavin.
Gavin?
That's Gavin. Yeah, that's your baby brother.
Okay.
Say, I love you, Gavin.
Okay, Susan. Okay, next.
He's taking a nap.
Are you sick? Are you sick? Okay. Am I going?
Yeah, mice wouldn't got him.
Oh, a baby.
He's moving.
A moving.
He's moving. I think he might want to wake up to see his big sister.